Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix your Roblox expected channel name error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first fix that you can do is to just run Roblox as administrator. So to do that, just simply search for Roblox player using your Windows search and just right click onto the Roblox player and select open file location. Just right click onto the Roblox player and select properties and select compatibility and tick run this program as administrator and then just simply select apply and try launching Roblox again. The next what you can do is to click no when the user account control pops up. So launch Roblox and wait for the user account control to pop up, and when the user account control pops up asking you to allow Roblox to make changes to your device, just simply click no and keep clicking no until the pop-up no longer appears and the error should be fixed. And then lastly, what you can do is to just simply uninstall and reinstall Roblox. So to do that, just search for the control panel using Windows search and open it and go to the programs and then click on install a program and then click Roblox. Select uninstall to uninstall the Roblox and again reinstall the Roblox on this from this link right here and just launch Roblox and check if the error persists. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.